Okay, I have the Wolftooth Remote dropper lever, and I crashed the other day and I broke it, but fortunately they have this cool breakaway axle design so that there's a little plastic piece that will break. And this thing is super cheap, $5, and you can replace it. But I didn't do the initial install, so hopefully this is pretty easy to swap out. But I'm gonna show people in case they're in the same position. So there's a little nut that connects it to the mount, and that's what holds the lever. So I'm gonna swap it out. Okay, it's a little hard to hold the camera, but it's pretty straightforward. I'm gonna undo this nut, and then the remnants of the previous axle piece will be in there. Okay, now it's off. So I'm gonna pull out the little screw, the little nut, and then we'll see how this axle was positioned. Okay, there's the remnants of the previous axle. You can see where it broke off, which is pretty cool design. In fact, this will probably happen again, at least to me. If you're a better rider, maybe not, but I bought a couple extras because they're so cheap, and next time I'll have one sitting around. Okay, so the little top hat piece goes through the bottom of the lever, and there's a little flared out part that just kind of keeps that lever tucked up against the mount. So now I'll screw it back now that I put it in. Okay, that's it. It was pretty simple. I couldn't hold the camera while I was screwing it in, but it's back. And the other thing I forgot to mention is that when it was broken, I could still drop the seat post. I just kind of had to fiddle with this, kind of hold it, and then pushed it. So I couldn't do it on the fly, but if I stopped, I could drop it and then also have it pop back up. So overall, I really like this Wolftooth Remote. It's really good improvement over the stock. Okay, enjoy. Bye.